Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start cleaning on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, you will need to, you can do that in two different methods. You can either press on the power button on the on the robot, and it starts cleaning, but you can also do that from the app. And now from the app you have many different options, not only the currently set option, which in my case is full cleaning, vacuuming and mopping. I can click on the play button and it will start, but I can also do way more here. I can select the full house cleaning and select this button right here. Then I have different options. There's AI Smart Plan, which will automatically plan how to clean. Although I could also change it to vacuuming followed by mop. So it will first go around the whole house, vacuum, go back, and then start mopping. You can change the suction power, the water flow, the cleaning count. It can repeat multiple times, but not in this mode. In a different mode, I think it can repeat. Then you can also change the route to fast route or standard, which is going to have more dense lines. Then sequence, you can change the sequence of the rooms, and that is basically it. Then in vacuum and mop, you can do basically the same thing, but you can change the cleaning count to 1 or to 2, and that means it'll just do everything twice. Mopping can be also with different routes, different cleaning counts, different water flow, vacuuming as well, and customize. In customize, you can do many different things. You can basically set each room to a different mode, which is also great. Now let's say I'll leave it on vacuum and mop because it's the default one, and let's go to rooms now. Instead of full, you can clean just selected rooms. Let's say I only want to clean the kitchen, let's select the kitchen, or if I wanted to clean both, I could select both. Now zones, you can add a zone here. Of course, for all of these modes, you can change the setting here for all of these modes, but yeah, let's add a zone here, so the robot will only clean this zone. Let's say this is a zone, like a part of the room where something was spilled or poured or whatever, and you just want to clean it. Then let's go to routine, and now you can add routines, which means they will be like pretty easy and quick to start. When you add a routine, you can do like customize the task, and then once you click on it, let's say once you click on that routine, it will clean the whole kitchen with vacuum, then mop option with like certain water flow and everything set. So that's also cool, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.